Hello friends, in this video we will review Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund. We will start with the basic information as well as the scheme information and then the returns it has produced in the first few years. First of all, let us understand some basic information about Quant Mutual Fund AMC. This mutual fund got established in the year 1996. The asset which is getting managed under this mutual fund house is around 6,178 crores. And then the official website of this mutual fund house is www.quantmutual.com. We should be able to invest directly via this mutual fund website. We can create our own account and then get started with the investment. This website allows you to create SIP, manage SIP, as well as the lump sum mode of investment. There are more than 42 different mutual funds being offered by this Quant Mutual Fund AMC, which includes debt funds, equity funds, and gold funds, in addition to some ETFs. Since we are going to review a small cap mutual fund from Quant AMC, let us understand what is a small cap mutual fund. In general, small cap mutual funds will focus on investing in smallest companies in India. Generally, small cap companies will have more scope to grow its business, so investing in this small cap mutual fund is going to make your return more higher. You have to understand the risk is also going to be very high. As I mentioned earlier, the return will be fantastic, but the small cap companies will be more volatile. You will see ups and downs in short to medium term. It is advisable that if you are thinking of investing in small cap mutual fund, it's better to keep invested for at least 5 years. Now it's time to look into a detailed analysis of Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund. Let us start by seeing some basic information of this scheme. This Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund was launched on 1st January 2013. This mutual fund falls under an open-ended category. It indicates that you can make your investment anytime and withdraw the anytime as and when you want. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund. This fund falls under equity small cap category. The main objective of this fund is to try generating long-term capital appreciation by investing in diversified companies, mostly in small cap companies in long term. In the coming section, we will understand some basic scheme information. In case you are thinking of investing in this mutual fund, minimum SIP has to start with 1000 rupees. In case of lump sum, it has to start with minimum 5000 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 0.56% as on December 31st, 2021. The asset which is getting managed under this fund is around 1517 crores. This is one of the best mutual fund that you can consider to invest. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund. The benchmark being tracked by this mutual fund is Nifty Small Cap 250 Total Return Index. There is a exit load of 1% if you try reading your investment within the span of 12 months. So far we have seen the scheme information of this Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund. In the next section we will understand who is managing this fund. The fund is being managed by two persons whose names are Sanjeev Sharma, Ankit A. Ponte. Both of them have enough experience to manage this small cap mutual fund. They already have some funds in their portfolio which is being managed by them effectively. The riskometer of this Quant small cap mutual fund is very high. If you look at the funds which are falling under small cap category, all of them will fall under the risk category of very high. In the next section, we will understand the scheme ratings provided by different research companies for this mutual fund. Value Research has given the rating of 3 star and Morningstar has given the rating of 4 star. In the next section, we will understand the fund allocation by market capitalization. Since it is falling under small cap category, nearly 60.73% is being allocated to buy small cap stocks. In addition to that, 9.53% is being allocated to buy large cap stocks. Apart from these two, nearly 26.52% is being allocated to buy stocks which are listed in mid cap category. The reason why mid cap allocation is more compared to the large cap is that when you invest your money in the small cap companies, since the growth of the company is more, the small cap companies will get into a mid cap company after the period of 5 to 10 years bracket. In the next section, we will understand top 5 sectors in this Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund portfolio. Almost 22% of fund is being allocated to buy construction related stocks. In addition to that, 14.45% is being allocated for the consumer staples sector. After that, 11.53% is being allocated for the healthcare sector. In addition to these three, nearly 9.58% is being allocated for the services sector. Apart from these allocation, the remaining 7.84% is being allocated for the chemical sector. In the coming up section, we will understand the top 10 companies which are part of this Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund portfolio. These are all the companies which comes into the top 10 position. Some of these companies will be large cap category and some of the companies will fall under the mid cap categories, but most of the fund is being allocated to buy the companies which are coming under the small capitalization category of Indian market. Now it's time to look into the exciting section of this particular video, which is going to be the absolute return of this Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund in percentage. In the last 6 months, it has produced the return of 3.15%. In case of last 1 year, it has given the return of 51.33%. If you had invested in this fund in the last 3 years, you would have got the return of 155.26%. Let's simplify this percentage return calculation with the absolute return in terms of investment of 10,000 rupees. In the last 1 year, 10,000 investment would have given you the return of 5,133 rupees. In the last 3 years, it would have given the return of 15,525 rupees. In case you had invested the 10,000 rupees in the last 5 years, you would have got the return of 15,127 rupees, which is more than 150% of return in the last 5 years. In the next section, I will show you some alternative funds that can be considered before you choose this Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund. It is always advisable that before you choose any of the mutual fund, it is better to compare some other existing funds which are also falling under the same category. Now we have come to the end of the video. So far we have seen full analysis of Quant Small Cap Mutual Fund. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, do subscribe for our channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Thanks.